Hi, my name's Jensen. This is my bike check. Alright, to start off, got the ODI grips, got the Odyssey bar ends, got Mutiny Glam version 2 bars. Literally, like, in the shop, these are really nice bars. Got the stolen convict stem, flipped upside down. Got a stock headset off DK Cygnus. Got kink forks stock off whatever. We got Odyssey Aaron Ross tire P-Light. Got Odyssey Vendero 2 wheel. Got the DK Cygnus frame. Got Animal Hamilton pedals. Vendera Protocol cranks. Shadow Crank and Bone sprocket. KMC Dropbuster chain. Great chain. Had it for a while now. Moving to the back, we got a wheel is Shadow Orbis rim laced to a demo rolls hub, demolition rolls, and premium refuse resist tire. And the seat is animal cush sheet, DK seat post, and an animal seat clamp. And that's my bike.